One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Some of the most influential people in our lives are teachers. And most of us can remember our very first teacher in school, the one who taught us our ABCs and the proper rules of the playground. As we have progressed from toddler to adult, there have been countless teachers along the way who helped us on our journey to adulthood and even beyond. The high school math teacher who helped you to perfect your algebra, or the college professor that taught you the spirit of debate. The very fabric of our being is heavily influenced by teachers who guided us in our educational journeys. In Islam, there is only one teacher who has laid out the groundwork for the spiritual education of mankind. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. God chose him to be the final messenger and perfect teacher to mankind. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was charged with reciting and conveying the message of the Quran to all of mankind. However, he was no ordinary teacher. In fact, he set the ideal standard of education over 1,000 years ago, and the effects are still being felt today. There are innumerable ways in which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was and still is the greatest teacher to have ever lived. Here are just few. No student left behind, the perfect speaker, living by example, patience through adversity. The method in which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught the message of Islam to his companions had a ripple effect that has transcended centuries to make Islam the world's fastest growing religion today. Whether you are a non-Muslim, a new Muslim, or a born Muslim, the example of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a gifted teacher is a unifying force in the Islamic world and continues to be a catalyst for greatest understanding through education. Happy Teachers Day, Dr. Majid Khan, Media 92.